Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, ayan, kasama ko na naman ang dog of the hour, si Coco. And for today's vlog, since it's winter time na, hindi ko paliliguan si Coco dun sa likod ng backyard dahil sobrang lamig, guys. Ayan, nagre-reklamo na siya. And Coco is due for bath. Kaya naman, I'm gonna take him somewhere na pwede ko siyang paliguan. Basta, dala-dala ko lang yung aking mga paraphernalias, like yung mga shampoo niya, yung mga pabango niya, toothbrush, everything. So, ayun. Medyo na-anxiety na si Coco. Ayun, guys, and i-update ko kayo pagdating namin doon sa lugar kung saan ko paliliguan si Coco. Okay? So, ayun. I'll see you in a bit. Ayun na nga. Hi, Coco! So, ayun. Kami ay pupunta sa tractor place ba yun? Ano ba yan, Cokes? So, ayun. Pupunta kami doon para doon ko siya paliguan. Kasi, doon meron ng libreng blower. Tapos, meron place kung saan pwedeng paliguan si Coco. Ayan. Si Coco. And per session, per paligo ng inyong aso doon ay it costs $10 ang isa. So they have a promo ngayon na buy 3 and get 1 free. So since medyo mahaba-haba pa naman ng winter, I'm gonna avail dun sa buy 3, get 1 free. Di ba, Cokes? Ano masasabi mo, Mr. Coco? Wala siyang masabi. So, ayun, we'll see and i-update ko kayo, guys, kung ano ang mangyayari mamaya. Sana mag-behave siya kasi talaga namang kailangan na talaga niyang maligo. At saka, magpapasko, di ba? Kaya, ayan. Hindi nga siya nagbe-behave ngayon eh. So, yun. I'll see you later, guys. I'll update you. So, this is our neighborhood Tractor Supply. They had a pet wash station where you can bring your dog and wash them yourself. So, I'm gonna take Coco inside. Tractor Supply is not just for pet wash. They have farm supplies, clothing, lawn and garden supplies, hardware, and pet supplies. This is where I buy Coco's food, but for today, we're going to try their pet wash station. So their pet wash station is located at the back portion of their store. Let's go and check it out. As you can see,
they only have 2 bays for your pets. And they provide the use of wash bay, grooming table, shampoos, brushes, and dryers. So I bought 3 pet wash. It's $9.99 because if you buy 3, you'll get 1 free.
So, ayun na nga. Bumili na ako ng kanyang 3 na dog wash. But the thing is, my wait time na 30 minutes. So, ayun. Medyo marami daw nagpapaligo ng aso ngayon. It's full kasi 2 lang yung bay nila. So, ayun. Mag-grocery muna ako. Sama ko muna si Coco. And, ayun. Update ko na lang kayo. And, yun lang. Meron nagpapaligo doon kanina. Pinakita ko sa inyo. It's a chocolate Labrador. Labrador ata yun. Pero, meron pang isa na, magpapaligo. So, it's a 30-minute wait. Kaya, ayun. Kaya, magliliwaliw muna kami ni Coco. Baka, mag-Starbucks muna ako. Bumili muna akong kape. Pero, we'll see. So, update ko kayo again. Kasi napaka-convenient naman talagang, napaka-convenient naman talaga na dito mag-dog wash, mag-dog bath. Dadali mo lang yung aso mo and then, they'll provide everything. They'll provide shampoo, they'll provide everything. Pero ako, since medyo OC ako sa mga shampoo ni Coco, dala ko yung mga shampoo, pabango, everything niya. Suklay. Ayan, dala ko lahat. Pero sila, they provide din everything. So, ayun nga, Tractor Supply, they provide everything like towels, shampoo, lahat. All the grooming needs provide na nila, 'di ba? For $10, isang kapa. So, convenient talaga as in. Ang dadalhin mo na lang talaga is yung aso mo kasi ipo-provide na nila lahat 'yun eh. Ayun. Dryer, ayun. Meron na rin silang dryer. Sabi nga ni ate is naubusan daw sila ng towels kaya nag-refill sila. It's shower day for dogs daw today dahil ang daming nagpapaligo ng aso. Syempre, 'di ba? Like before Christmas, ayun. Talagang maraming nagpapaligo ng aso. Kaya ayun, i-update ko ulit kayo mamaya, guys. And I'll see you later. We'll see how it goes with this guy right there. Kung mag-behave ba siya. Cokes, are you gonna behave? Cokes. Wala. Snabero. May attitude. Ayun. See ya later.
Okay, it's a waiting game for Coco and I. As you can see, earlier, merong pinapaliguan dyan na Labrador. And Coco looks so excited dahil siya na ang susunod na paliliguan. So, we're just waiting for our turn. Kaya lang, one of the staff needs to clean first yung bay na gagamitin ni Coco. That's their protocol. So, after paliguan ang inyong pet, they have to clean it for you. O, diba? So cool. And again, if you purchase the $9.99 pet wash, This is what they provide: the use of wash bay, grooming table, choice of specialty shampoos, brushes, combs, and towels. You can also use the dryer. And as you can see, Coco is so excited to get the bath. That's their grooming table over there, and that's gonna be the dryer. You have your own apron, but hindi ko ginamit yung apron na yan for sanitary purpose dahil marami nang gumamit ng apron na yan. So, I suggest to bring your own apron. And they provide everything for your pets, especially shampoos. They have the Sensi Skin shampoo for your pet. They also have the oatmeal baking soda shampoo. So you have an option to use those shampoos for your pets, but ako kasi I have my own shampoo for Coco. That's why we brought our own.
Ayan, at sobrang nalosyang na naman ako sa pagpapaligo kay Coco. Ayan. Teka lang, shout out. Daw sabi ni Coco. Ayan, iniwan ko muna yung shampoo sa kanya para tumiim yung bango ng shampoo. Kaya ayan. Pero, meron naman silang provided na shampoo. Yan, yung mga yan. Provided na shampoo. Kaya lang, maarte yung si Admin Elsie. Kaya, meron akong set na sariling shampoo ni Coco. Siyempre, mas mabango. Hindi ako masyadong nababanguhan sa kanilang scent. Kaya naman, ayun, haggard ako. So, ayun, eto nga yung, ano nila, yung drying section. Ayan. Ayun nga yung aking mga gamit nandun sa gilid. And si Coco ay pasaway. Ayan. O, sa dalawang bay area lang yan. Sa dalawang aso lang ang kasya. At kakatapos lang ng isa. Kaya naman si Coco ay nangangarag-ngarag siya. Mas convenient dito. Hindi malamig, syempre. Winter ngayon. Hindi ako malalamigan. Kaya naman, ayan. Coco, go back. Go back. Ayan. So, proceed na ulit ako sa pagbabanlaw kay Coco. So these are the provided shampoos, the Sensi Skin, moisturizing shampoo, oatmeal baking soda, and for shed control. It's the same brand that I'm using, but the thing is, Coco's shampoo, it's berry and coconut. So they also have this helpful tips and the cleanup instruction for you to follow, especially this is your first time using this pet wash.
Okay, so Coco is almost ready for us to dry him. By the way, that's his drying station. That's his table. So I noticed that they have this small blower. So if I were you, kung meron kayong sobrang furry na pet, like Coco, Golden Retriever, Husky, Samoyed, Chow Chow, you need to bring your own blower. Dahil sobrang tagal kayong magbo-blower. But this blower, this one is small and it's good for small breeds like Shih Tzu, Chihuahua, Pug, Pomeranian. It's okay. But for this kind of dog like Coco, he's a Golden Retriever and he's furry, you need to bring your own. So medyo natagalan akong mag-blow dry ng kanyang fur kasi nga sobrang kapal ng fur ni Coco. I think about like 45 minutes or an hour na ako'y nagbo-blower ng buhok ni Coco. So I suggest if you have a bigger blower, dali nyo yun. So mabilis lang kayong mag-blower. So hindi naman ako nahirapan kay Coco kasi sobrang sanay na siya kapag pinapaliguan ko siya. Kaya behave na siya at this moment. And kung gusto niyo pa siyang i-groom, usually we have our own grooming tools. Gupitan natin ng buhok. Pwede rin naman gawin dyan sa Tractor Supply. Basta walang pila. Coco is already done. Guwapings na at mabango.
Diyos ko Lord, ang itsura ko. Sobrang nahagard ako doon. Ay, Diyos ko, dami kong pagod. Pero okay naman. Okay naman siya. Next time, ang dami kong buhok ko. Next time siguro, ang tagal ko doon. Next time siguro, dadalhin ko ang sarili naming blower. Kasi sobrang bagal ng blower nila. Kasi yung blower namin, siguro mga 30 minutes lang. Dami kong buhok. Tuyo na si Coco, pero, it took me siguro mga 1 hour, 45 minutes sa pagdadry lang kay Coco. But next time, pagka bumalik ulit ako dito sa Tractor Supply para paliguan si Coco, bibit-biting ko na pati yung blower. Ayan o, si Coco Diyos mio Marimar. So, ayun. Kami ay uuwi na. And, ayun. Mabango na si Coco for Christmas. Coco, hi ka naman. Sige na. Paisa lang. Isa lang. Yun. Guwapings. Bango na yan. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Gabi na. Paggabi na. Time check. It's 4:45. Ayan. Paggabi na. Anong oras pa ako nandito? Ayan. Pero okay lang. At least mabango na si Pogi. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!